Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how you can set fingerprint lock in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First friends, you have to open your settings. Then friends, you have to scroll down and you can see here it is security feature. You have to just tap on this fingerprint face data and screen lock. Tap on here, you can see the fingerprint unlock here. You have to draw your screen unlocking pattern. Now you can see it is set fingerprint 1. If you want to add more fingerprints or you want to delete it, just click on this, remove this fingerprint from here, press OK. Then you have to just add it from here and it is checking the security issues. Then you have to draw a pattern like this. Now you have to add your fingerprint by your thumb. Here it is the power button. Just tap on here and just lift when it vibrates. You have to move your finger slightly. You don't have to just press it, you have to just touch the power button to scan your finger. Just like this you have to do it. And friends, it's done now and finger button is added. Now you have to turn off your screen and turn on it by touching the power button like this. You can see it is open without entering the password. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.